Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 11 of our 30-day English study plan. I'm really excited to have you here. Remember, you can always go back and catch up on previous lessons at your own pace. But feel free to jump in whenever you are ready. Let's kick things off today by learning some workplace vocabulary. Workplace vocabulary. You'll often hear in conversations about work. These are terms you might hear when discussing work conditions or environment. Our first word is full time. Full time is basically working the full time number of hours required, usually 40 hours a week. These hours do differ from organization to organization, but yeah, usually about 40 hours. So to use this in a sentence, we can say she works full time as a software engineer. Part-time. This means working fewer hours than a full-time job, often about 20 hours a week or so. You can say, I have a part-time job at a supermarket. The next word is shift. This word is very important because it refers to a set period during which people work, such as morning or night. So you could say you work the morning or night shift, yeah? Some shifts are different. Some shifts can start from 6 and at 2 p.m., 6 a.m. and end at 2 p.m. Some shifts can start at 2 p.m. and end maybe like at 10 p.m. Depending on the industry and the organization, shifts can vary. They can change from industry to industry, yeah? Organization to organization. For illustration, we can say, or you can say, I'm working the night shift this week. Another important word is overtime, which basically means extra hours. Yeah. So you are working extra hours beyond the regular schedule. For instance, I worked overtime last night to finish the project. Our next word is remote work or remote working. I'm smiling because I have heard a lot of students, and they know themselves. I'm not going to name names. Say smart working. Yeah. And smart working is not a business English term, but I get it. Yeah. Because translation from maybe one native language into English can be translated as smart working. But the proper business English term to use is to work remotely, working from home, or yeah, or to say remote working. Obviously, the form will change depending on how you are using it in the sentence. But essentially, remote working is working from a location outside the office, usually from home. You can say many companies now allow employees to do remote work or to work remotely or to work from home. There are variations to this term. Okay, next one is colleague. So this is another word to describe a coworker, someone you work with. So for illustration, you could say, I often collaborate with my colleagues on big projects. Okay, or my colleague likes to eat pasta every day. Depending on the situation, when you talk about your coworkers, colleague is the appropriate term. To wrap up, here's your homework for today. Write 3 sentences about your job or about a job you would like to have in the future. Use at least 3 of the phrases we've learned today. And that's it for today. It's a wrap, my friend. I'll see you soon. Hope you are feeling more confident talking about your job and workplace. If you have found this lesson helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, okay? Keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you tomorrow.